In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apex to NinjaTrader. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your desktop version of NinjaTrader, and then the first step will be to go to Tools up here, go to Settings, and in here it says multi-provider. Click on the check mark over here, click apply, and then you have to basically restart your program, your desktop version, to be able to get these things applied. Now once you've done this, this is going to be the first part. Then you're going to want to go to connections, click on that, and click on configure. Now once you see this over here on the left where it says available, you want to look for NinjaTrader. Okay, so it's going to be over here. Click on NinjaTrader, and then once you see that, you want to go to My NinjaTrader. So when you double click on NinjaTrader, you'll see it's going to say configured, and then My NinjaTrader. Just make sure you double click that as well. And then over here, you're going to see your properties, and it's going to say credentials. Now, what you're going to want to do is where it says username and password as optional, what you want to do here is you actually want to enter your username and password provided by Apex, and then after you do this, of course, you can select simulation as the account type, and then after you're ready, click on apply and OK, and this will be added, and then you can just basically switch to it by clicking over here where it says connections, and you can just switch to your Apex account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.